Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot M-11 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So we'll take a look outside first. Here you can see we have outside water and electric with this house. Got one outlet right there. And there's a faucet right behind the blue can there. Got 2 sets of steps. Now we'll take a look inside. This is a pre-owned Redman home. Here you can see the living room. I think it's set up really nice. See, you've got the 2 chairs here, the fan right above. You've got a couch here, and they've got it perfectly set up with a TV here. So this is just a great view of what you could decorate this house like. Here we have the kitchen. I really love the sort of dark brown cabinets. Got the Whirlpool refrigerator and dishwasher here. You can see this really pretty backsplash they have here. The microwave and stove oven combination is also Whirlpool. Here you have this nice dinner table set up, and they've got an island right on the side as well. This is a coat closet as well, which is a perfect location because you can come in from either door and it's right in the middle. Here is that second door with the electrical panel there. And right here you have your side-by-side washer and dryer. Take a look at the bathroom now. Before that, here is the thermostat. So you've got a shower head here and 2 seats. This is all one-piece fiberglass. Here you have a window which brings some great light in. Here's this really pretty mirror. Now we'll take a look at the bedroom. Got a closet here on the right. Here is the bed. You also have a fan in here as well. Also, both bedrooms and the living room come equipped with a cable jack. In the corner there is your water heater. Now we'll take a look at the other side of the house. So this house comes equipped with central air conditioning and forced hot air. This is the furnace which is responsible for that. Now we'll take a look at the second bedroom. Currently they just use it for storage, but very easily you could get another bed in here. Or you could use it as an office like they have here. Got the closet in the corner there. And they also have another television here. So it just gives you a great idea on what you could do with this home. If you'd like to learn more about this home or any of the other homes we offer, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.